Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can create a test plan in the Testcaselab tool. So just to give you a basic idea on test plan, so test plan is nothing but a document that details or outlines the objectives, resources, timelines of the project, dependencies, what will be the pass and fail criteria, and the processes for a specific test or for a software or a hardware product. So basically, you can remember the definition of a test plan with these four words: what, when, how, and who. So what all you will be testing, when you will be testing, how you will be testing, and who all the people will be involved or the stakeholders will be involved for testing. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard to the test case lab tool and see how we can add a test plan. So this is our project, Rahul Test Case Lab. Uh, we have seen how we can add a test case and test plans is 0. So let us click on this test plan link. Okay, so we don't have any test plans as of now. So there is a blue button with the plus sign, test plan. Click on this button, give the name of the test plan, Rahul test plan 1. And you can give the description related to test plan, like it covers, uh, you know, the details about web portal testing, etc. Like whatever details you want to provide. Now click on create, and yes, so your test plan has been created. We got a message out there. So this is the name of the test plan. It is created at so and so time. It covers the details about web portal testing, etc. Like the normal description we have given. And these are the test cases. So like we don't have any test cases as of now. So let's see other options. There is a three dots present here. If we click on this, so see there are a lot of options present out here. We can create a test run. You can edit this test plan as well. You can copy this test plan as well. If you want to export the test plan to CSV format, you can do as well. You can archive the test plan or you can delete the test plan. So let us see one of the examples. Suppose I want to export it to CSV. I'll click on export to CSV. Export started. See. So it has given and downloaded you the test plan in the CSV format. If we will open the plan, there won't be much things as we haven't given the much details about it and we haven't attached any of the cases. But this is how the format it will look like when you download a test plan. Okay, so see, test plan, total test cases 0, ID, title, category. So nothing is there because we haven't added anything now as of now. Okay, so similarly, you can perform other options as well. You can create a test run, you can edit, you can copy, etc. So these are all the operations related with the test plan, and you can create a new test plan as well. Again, click on the option add a new test plan. Same details will be appearing, and you can add the test plan as well. Okay, so now we have added a test case, we have added a test plan, we have one member. So these are the options present here, and this is the activity stream. Like whatever things we are doing, it is getting recorded, a kind of history. So I hope you all understood how to create a test plan in Test Case Lab. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.